All right, so for vocabulary, you're going to be dragging the red X, which is right here, on the vocabulary puzzle piece that doesn't belong. So your words that you have is exponents, PIMDAS, multiplication, division, parentheses, and perimeter. Now, thinking of all these words, I have to think if I'm going to make a sort, if I'm going to sort these words out, what words am I going to put together and what words am I not going to put together? So, for instance, I know with PIMDAS, that's used with order of operation, and it is an acronym that stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So looking at my words, I have the words exponent, parentheses, multiplication, division. So if I were to sort those, I would put those four together. Perimeter, on the other hand, that is to deal with something that is not order of operations. So I would put perimeter in its own separate category. So the word that does not belong is perimeter.